Means from Hello, today I'm here to demonstrate the functionality of the assignment number 10, which is a Python website which has the following features. The user can chat with the chatbot, and he can enable the text to speech to convert the chat into speech. So here I've used IBM Watson to convert that text to speech as per the requirement. So here I've used Flask web framework to implement it into a web page, and I've used SMTP libraries to send out the email to the user, and the email consists of the chat transcript. So if at all user wants chat transcript in his email, he has to start the session, and once if he, before ending, he has to end the session. Then I've used play sound, which is generally a library which is used to actually generate the sound. So yeah, these are all the libraries that I have imported. And now let me go ahead and show you the API key and URL for the IBM Watson. So the IBM cloud website will be used to generate the API key, and the URL that is used to actually use the facility of the API. So that is called Watson Assistant. So the API key generation and the URL generation are clearly explained in the code documentation uh, for the reference. So I'll jump into the functionalities now. So the first functionality is nothing but start session. So it is nothing but to give the application and a signal that the user would like to have the transcript in his email. So once I've started the session, the user can chat with the chatbot. So here the user message is stored in a variable called txt, and this txt is used to get the response from the learnings that we have fed to the bot. So these are all the learnings. So if I say hi, it says so and so. If I say what is the weather like Denton, weather in Denton, so it says so and so. So this is where it takes the learnings from, and it also sees if the session is true. If the session is true, it also writes into the transcript file, and it passes it to the write to audio response, which is nothing but text to speech function. So now the text to speech function, it is nothing but a file which has it is an audio file which has James version 3 voice assistant. It is nothing but a British English male voice. So it chooses the text and it reads out loud. So this is a open source code that I have got from various GitHub repositories, and once that is done, it enables the speech. So it is where it reads out loud, and once that is done, user can end the session, and once he ends the session, all the transcript is sent to his email. So this is my Watson transcript at the gmail.com is a sample email which I have created for this assignment purposes. So this is the source email, and this is the destination email. So the email will be sent from this to this one, the one which this is my personal email. So here I have given the server the email address and its password, so it can access and send out the email to the destination. So yeah, let me go ahead and demonstrate the how the code works. So I'm going to run the file. So I've got the local host URL. So this is the user interface. So as I already told, user has to start session if he wants the transcript, chat transcript on his email. So I'm going to start the session for the demonstration purpose, and I also want to demonstrate how the chat is converted to speech. So I'm going to choose say it out loud. It's nothing but text to speech using IBM Watson. So let me go ahead and say, yeah, what is the current time?
Current time. The current time is 8:16 p.m.
So let me ask, what is the weather?
What is the weather like tomorrow in Denton? The current time is 8:16 p.m.
So there is a mix and match. Let me go and say hello.
Hello. Hi, welcome to Chatbot.
Okay, so let me go ahead and check the readings. I forgot the statements. What do you do?
What you do? I am here to help you about getting knowledge of the crime.
Okay, so I think there was a spelling mistake in here. So the spelling should be exactly the same, as it is a bot and it only reads the spellings. So yeah, so this is how it reads out loud. Now I'm going to end the session. So the email send email has been activated. So let me go ahead and refresh. Yeah, so I just got an email from Watson transcript. So this is my the chat that the chat transcript that I've got from the application. So this is my source, and so I've got it to my destination email. So yeah, so this is the functionality of the application. Thank you.